To check your transaction history on YouTube, follow these simple steps to access your purchase records and subscriptions. This guide will help you navigate the platform effectively. Step 1. Sign into YouTube. Open the YouTube app or website and sign into your account using your Google credentials. Ensure you are logged into the account associated with your transactions. Step 2. Access your purchases. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Purchases or your purchases to view your transaction history. Step 3. Review transaction history. In the Purchases section, you will see a list of all your transactions, including rentals, purchases, and subscriptions. Browse through the list to find a specific transaction you want to check. Step 4. View transaction details. Click on any transaction to view more details such as the date of purchase, amount spent, and any associated content. This will provide you with a comprehensive overview of your transaction. Step 5. Manage subscriptions if needed. If you want to manage your subscriptions, return to your profile icon and select Paid Memberships or Subscriptions. Here you can view, modify, or cancel any active subscriptions. By following these steps, you can easily check and manage your transaction history on YouTube. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore the help section on YouTube for more assistance.